Hello and welcome back to Clota Technology Channel, your trusted partner in technology driven solutions. In today's section, we will dive into page life expectancy or PLE, one of the most important metrics of SQL Server performance. What is PLE? Page life expectancy measures the average time in seconds that a database remains in SQL Server's buffer pool before being flushed out. A higher PLE means pages are staying in memory longer, reducing disk reads and improving performance. What is buffer pool? Buffer pool is SQL Server primary memory cache, where data and index pages are stored after being read from disk. This helps queries run faster by avoiding unnecessary disk in and out. When interrupting PLE, a high PLE indicates stable memory performance. A drop in PLE signals memory pressure, forcing SQL Server to read from disk more often. Generally, a value below 300 seconds can be warning sign, but the ideal value depends on your workload and hardware. Why PLE matters? PLE is critical because it directly reflects memory health. When PLE is low, SQL Server constantly flushes and reloads data pages, reading or to higher disk in and out and slower query response times. Several factors which causes low PLE. Those are insufficient memory on the server, large queries consuming too much buffer space, missing indexes causing table scans, or exclusive memory grants from poorly tuned queries. Now, let's see how to improve PLE. Add more RAM if required. Tune queries and create proper indexes. Avoid large scans and memory heavy operations. Achieve old or unused data. Use the resources governor to manage memory distribution. You can simply monitor PLE using a T-SQL query or by tracking it in Performance Monitor. Regular monitoring helps spot memory issues early and maintain performance stability. In short, PLE is a key indicator of SQL Server memory health. Monitoring it regularly helps you detect memory pressure early, reduces disk in and out, and keep your database running smoothly. At Clota Technology, we specialized in SQL Server performance tuning and high availability, cloud migrations and database security, web and application development, and our flagship HRMS, Hello EMS for payroll and employee management. Visit us at www.flotatech.com to learn more. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share for more tutorials from Global Technology. Until next time, stay secure, stay online, and stay ahead.